Alright, so for all of you rail fans out here, these are the Buckeye Central Scenic Railroad's old railroad signals that once sat on Hopewell Drive in Newark, Ohio. The railroad track that was once the B&O Shawnee branch was torn out in 2007 in favor for a bike path. But at one time, these signals, I don't know if they were built in the 1950s or 60s, but they at one time sat along Hopewell Drive near Heath. That's up near Newark. These are probably the old. I don't know if they're Western Electric, but I think these are the old SRS bulb signals. Couldn't tell by the year, but yeah. You can see the old bulb lights used to fit in here at one time. Go around here to this crossing. It looks like the covers for the ones that look like this. I don't know what they're called, but looks like these were taken off this crossing. And then the Mr. Tree Farm here in Reynoldsburg also has 2 more signals down there. Would be really nice is if they could do train rides here and then actually operate these signals. So this right here are the Buckeye Central Scenic Railroad's old signals that once sat on Hopewell Drive today.